Ring a bell? Unconditioned stimulus. Anyone? Who can tell me what the conditioned stimulus is?
Merci. Tu es mignon aussi.
Nicholas! Care to elaborate?
The conditioned stimulus was the ringing of the bell, which made the dog salivate even in the absence of food.
Nice, dude.
Cool. Can you make a deck?
We're gonna be here for a while, guys. Perfect timing. We're about to call Bill.
Actually, I already closed the deal this morning.
Really?
I know you had a long flight, so I'll make this fast.
Grandma! Grandma! We're here!
Oh, my darlings. You guys want some spaghetti?
Yeah!
There's actually a great spot down the street if you want to check it out. I can call a car.
I got it already.